Well, I fundamentally believe that earlier we were obviously in last 10 years and previous to 10 years, we have come a far away from elevation of poverty. So it might believe the access to the mainstream of economy of growth that we are seeing, making it reach every nook and corner and every village and place will be and should be the priority. So that is what I believe the next government should be focused on.
In addition to this, okay, if you want to just pinpoint, okay, these are the 3 points or the 2 points or the 5 points on which you have, you think so that you have did with your responsibility, you have cast your vote.
I think there is no doubt about it that we as a nation, our young nation, so assertiveness of our nation that we see, and first you have to have a confidence and assertiveness. So I think that is a checkbox. And then you have to obviously see that is it inclusive growth? It is, like I said, that everybody has to be part of it. It can't be just one segment or other. And the infrastructure, I mean, I'm from Aligarh and I go places. It's amazing to see the kind of growth and development that we've seen. So, and obviously, there is no doubt about it, future forward.
One last question, sir. A bit different and open-sided question. You want to respond. Seeking the current scenario in the tech world, we have seen a lot of news where, to rationalize the cost, multiple companies are taking steps. Talks are also about the Paytm. And also, you have just posted your numbers. You are also looking to optimize your revenues. You're looking to expand it. So on these two fronts, on the rationalization part and to expand the revenue part, would you like to say something?
So, first of all, this is truly another wave, just like internet age, smartphone age, mobile internet age, where the new technology companies will erupt or come out. And I think I want to tell you this is bigger than the previous waves. And there is a more acknowledgement of that there is an entrepreneurial energy and startup energy. What we are talking here is, especially in our scenario, because we have a particular type of business, we have a decision of things that we will do, things we will do, things that we need to do. And that is where we are more core focused. So as a Paytm, we are getting more and more focused towards what is the core and what is the primary revenue and profit line item. When you look at overall as an industry at large, I would rather say there is a new wave of newer businesses that is coming up is an obligation, the AI age. And that is why I would rather say that overall sectorially, maybe typically the traditional incumbent technology companies may be optimizing themselves, but this is the talent that is available to a new person.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.